Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Thursday, January 13th, as presented by the Pocatello Office of the National Weather Service. Here's what you'll see in this briefing today. We have low pressure that will move through the Pacific Northwest during the day and across southern Idaho tonight. This will mostly bring precipitation to Lemhi County and the Island Park down to the south to the Big Hole region. And on the whole, snowfall accumulation should stay under an inch, sometimes well below an inch. Some people just getting a skiff, and mostly affecting just the highlands and mountains of those regions. The high pressure will return to the Pacific Northwest very quickly on the next day, on Friday. And the next storm may be as early as Monday night. So until then, we're looking for high pressure dominating. And the most that could really produce would be some stagnant air, which would potentially lead to some overnight fog or low stratus and maybe some air quality issues. So here's the satellite imagery from this morning. The light blue coloration is clouds at a low elevation. So these are fog, possibly stratus. That would be below 4,000 feet above ground level or so. And so you can see there's a lot of it in the south area south Pocatello, including the Bear Lake Basin. But otherwise, and here's our storm that's moving in, already pushing clouds across and into central Idaho. All right, so this is our outlook for the next 5 days. Again, there's just a slight chance of overnight snow. And you can see that would be in the South Hills, the Southeast Highlands, the Eastern Highlands, Sawtooth area, and Lemhi County. Most of the other areas will not see anything except maybe some extended cloud cover, which will help to keep temperatures warmer. And then on Friday morning, it now looks like whatever chance of morning snow there is will be limited to the Eastern Highland area. And then we have the break over the weekend, and then Monday night, there is a slight chance of overnight snow. You can see it's mainly in the north part of our forecast area, the Eastern Highlands, which include Island Park, Victor and Driggs, and the Sawtooth and Lemhi County areas. All right, so here's a surface weather depiction showing the snow in the next 24 hours, or rain and snow mix, as you can see in actually portions of Lemhi County, as this intimates. And you can see it's pretty limited to the highland areas, and it won't amount to very much. So let's watch the evolution of this snow before 5 p.m. So this would be for the afternoon. Very little going on, actually, over the bulk of our area, most of it to the north and northwest. And then during the evening hours, it does sag southward. You can see most of Lemhi County getting an inch or less. The same thing in the northeast corner in the Island Park area, and then some spot showers elsewhere. Then after midnight, you can see it does extend into the southern highlands. But again, all of this, it continues to be light blue, which means an inch or less, and sometimes considerably less, maybe just a skiff of snow. You can see all the major cities just reporting 0. All right, so what will happen with the temperatures? We are looking with south wind now developing behind this low after some stagnant air conditions and pretty cold temperatures the past 3 days. We are looking for middle to upper 30s for the lower elevations. And actually for Stanley Sun Valley, that's actually cooler temperatures, but still highs actually warmer than down here, as they have been in bright sunshine with temperature around 40 degrees. Here are the overnight lows for Thursday night. Again, with the cloud cover, this is substantially warmer, especially for the Snake River Plain, where very few areas are getting to around 0 or so here in the Arco Desert and over in the Fairfield County area. All right, so it's all moved out, and for Friday night, you can see there's no precipitation expected for us. It'll all stay north and east of our area, and the high pressure returns. So we just have some limited snow showers maybe up here along the Idaho and Montana border. And again, it's more or less just a skiff of snow between 5 a.m. and 11 a.m. on Friday. So it'll all be done. And so storm totals, you can see even if you add them all up, it's still everywhere for our area staying below an inch, sometimes significantly below. A lot of it is below a half an inch. So we're not really looking for a whole lot that's probably not even manageable in terms of trying to clear the snow. Okay, with the storm passage, you can see temperatures are starting to get colder. Once again, now in the Snake River Plain, struggling to get to 30 degrees. And it's even not warming to 40 degrees in places like Stanley and Sun Valley, where it was warming easily to that before. Then overnight lows, as you would expect, are turning colder again. We're losing the sky cover. We're also having a northerly wind set in, which is bringing in the colder air from western Montana and central Canada. And that high pressure continues into Saturday. Again, very calm conditions. See the temperatures even lower. Rexburg and Idaho Falls probably staying below 30 degrees. And even Burley will struggle with getting to near freezing. Stanley and Sun Valley, same thing. And you see the overnight lows about 2 to 6 degrees colder as well for Saturday night. So that's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this number, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.